Today we're making Southern style smothered chicken. There are going to be 3 phases in this recipe: an initial pan frying of the chicken, preparing the smother, and a final bake all together. You're going to need 4 to 5 chicken leg quarters with the skin, 1.5 cups of flour, 2 large onions, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of poultry seasoning divided in half, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1 quart of chicken broth. First, we're going to prepare a dredge for our chicken leg. Pour the flour into a shallow dish, and add the paprika and half of the poultry seasoning. Then mix it all up. Make sure your leg quarters have been patted dry, so that your dredge sticks better to your meat. Heat 1/2 of your oil in a heavy skillet. Cast iron is traditional, but I'm bad at taking care of it, so I'm using ceramic coated steel. Do you have any cast iron horror stories? If so, comment your comment in the comment section. Fry the chicken until the skin is nice and crispy, about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. I kind of turned this one a little early. We're going to use the same frying pan we fried our chicken in to make our smother. Add your butter, onions, and mushrooms to the pan. Let them cook until the onions are soft and translucent. At that point, you can dust the vegetables with some leftover chicken dredge. Stir it until it seems to disappear, and then add the remaining poultry seasoning and broth. Be sure to scrape up those tasty little chicken bits from frying the chicken earlier. They add flavor to your smother. Cover the bottom of a roasting pan with the smother, and then nest your fried chicken legs in it. This lets the top of the leg quarters stay nice and crispy. If you check the ingredients list from earlier, you see I called for 4 to 5 leg quarters instead of the 8 you see here. That's because in making this dish, I ended up with too little smother for too much chicken. It would have been just the right amount for half as much chicken. Put them in a preheated 400-degree oven for 45 minutes, and they'll be ready for your dinner plate. Here's the final product, which I have plated up with some frozen peas. You can't go wrong with that as an all-purpose side, since it's full of farm freshness and green peaness. It's delicious, but don't take my word for it. Try it yourself and let us know in the comments how it turned out. This has been Jason for Maple Witch Cafe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to dine in and game on.